Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been quite some time that I have recorded any video. Anyways, for the day I'm just going to record a random vlog and things that I'm going to do. So of lately my exams have been going on and I thought that it'll be a good time if I actually pamper myself a bit. Pampering in a sense does not mean that you have to go out or get your nails done or do your hair or whatever. It is totally up to you. If that makes you happy, then that's your kind of pampering sesh. Personally for me today, I thought that I just have to clean up and just look a little more presentable because I've not been being myself for a long time now. So I thought that would actually encourage me to do some productive work. And for the day, I'm actually going to get my nails done because I've never ever gotten my nails done till date. And I'm kind of thinking to go for acrylic nails. I don't know, I really do not know anything about it too. I have to research a bit. But I did call a few people and they told that they'll guide me through it, and that's not a problem, which I'm really happy about. So I asked my sister what plans she had for the day. I asked her if she wants to join me, and then she told me that she would love to because it's her first time as well, and she told that it'll be great. But the saddest part was when we called them up, they told that they just have one technician. Apparently it takes you almost like 2.5 hours for the nails to get done. We'll be having to stay there for 5 hours, which is quite a lot. I'm going to take part. I turned the geyser on and I'm going to pick some good outfit. I just want to make myself feel good today. And yeah, let's just get started. I'll take you through the entire process and what I do for the day. These are my natural nails. They are just like this. And I haven't thought of any inspiration also. It was more of like a sudden plan. I didn't really chart it out like this is what I'm going to do as such. So I might go through I might go through Pinterest to get a few ideas, and let's see how that goes. I came to my room. Let's see what I can get. Not really sure. I don't have anything in mind. But I'm sure I want to go with the jeans. And situation of my wardrobe, it's pretty fine, I believe. I cleaned it out recently, but I have to clean it out again because I have added a few clothes and I need to segment it out. Anyways, so apart from that, I want to go with ripped jeans. So it took me quite some time to figure out what I want, and okay, I think I have second thoughts about it, but I think I'll just go for this one. So now that I've picked out my outfit, I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna get ready. Like pretty basic.
1,000 years later.
So I actually came to this salon, which is called Spin. I will definitely tag it down below, and it's super awesome and they're very, very hygienic. So a little bit change in the plan. We are going for gel nails rather than acrylic because the guy suggested that that would be much better. And first my sister is going and then I'll be going. Luckily he's ready to do for the both of us. It will take quite a bit of time. And also I changed into something like basic. I'll show the entire outfit, just give me a second. I didn't have the time to show it at my place because we were rushing in time. So basically this is my outfit for the day. I'm wearing a thrifted top and my jeans. So I ended up going with white jeans. The ripped was not looking so good on this because blue. And then I'm wearing these shoes from Puma. Ignore the angle, it's too bad, but yeah. So this is the place that we've come to, and we've been given a separate cabin, and I think it's really great. Let me show you around, and I feel really good. Also I'm wearing this necklace from Urbanic and earrings from Urbanic too. So I'm really into these gold jewelry these days. She's in a dilemma trying to choose which design she's into, and we kind of finalized two of it. Can you show? So right now I have my nails done so far. There are a lot more steps to go and it will take quite some time. Now it's around 3:30 or 4 I believe, and it will take around 2-3 hours I guess. I mean, at the least. Hopefully it'll get over soon, and today I won't be able to. I thought I'll go to a park for a walk, but I guess I have to cancel that plan for the day, and I'll do it for tomorrow. I thought that I'll show the entire day since half the time has been consumed by this process itself, which I'm loving, of course. So I think I'll shoot the. I think I might keep it for 2 days, 1 or 3 days probably. And because I want to include all the interesting ones that I've done, because it will be too fun to explain what's happening if there's something happening too. And tomorrow I have a few plans that I've made, but I have exam too. So once that exam is done, then I'm going to go ahead with that, and hopefully it should be a lot fun. And I'm really rooting for the outcome of this because I have chosen a really pretty pastel color, which I'm not going to reveal now, and I'm obsessing over that for a long time, and I'm really happy with the choice I made. And my sister also made a really pretty choice, which she's going to show once it's done. Wait guys, look at this dog. Its name is Nala. It's so cute.
आपका शॉट करना है थोड़ा.
Hi Nala. It's a bulldog and it's so cute. Now her nails are supposed to look like. Wait. So now her nails are supposed to look like this, like the thickness and everything. So she has a long way to go. Also more glossier. Yeah. Maybe I think it'll take time, no? Because obviously it has to come down. It can't be that glossy. I think it'll become like this after a while. Yeah. Hey guys, it's the following day. So yesterday we thought of showing the nails, but it got super late. It almost took 7 hours, which we never expected. We thought it would be over by 6 o'clock or something, but we literally reached home at 9 o'clock, and we were so dead tired of sitting in one single place. And I feel so bad for the guy who was doing our nails as well. And you definitely require a lot of patience to sit and get it done, and for the person who's doing also. And yeah, so we thought of coming to a park today, like I mentioned earlier too. So we have come to the park today. It's like a park very close by, and now is the big reveal. I'm going to show the nails we have done for ourselves. So my sister has gone for a different kind of aesthetic, and so did I. So I'm going to show hers first because I really am in love with what she's gotten done for herself. So I'll show it to you guys. So these are what she has gotten it done. It's so beautiful. So she went for a cheetah print with something that she has curated for herself. It was entirely her idea, and she took some inspo for it. I really liked it. Yeah, I genuinely liked it.
This is the first time we've both gotten it done. I usually have like naturally long nails, but I just wanted to try it out.
Yeah, it was
nice.
Yeah, I dragged her into this, and she doesn't regret it though. Coming to mine, I have already given you guys a hint that it's going to be pastel. So I'm totally into prints these days, especially the cow print. It is so super trending right now, but I have added a small touch to it, like I said, pastels. So these are what I got done, and I'm so obsessed with it, literally so obsessed. So I chose 3 colors, light blue, light green and lavender. So guys, this is the end of the video. I know it has been very abrupt and the footage has been all over the place. It's because I shot this over a month ago now, and now I'm editing it, but I still wanted to show you guys because the entire process was super fun. And also coming to the pamper routine, I really wanted to do something that would make me feel really good. And apart from nails as well, I wanted to do other things, but it consumed a lot of time, and since it was amidst my exams, I couldn't really go about it. But I'll definitely put up a pamper routine where I do a lot of things and make myself feel better. And if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and all that good stuff. See you in my upcoming video. And also we're going to hit 500. Please support. Yeah, take care. Bye bye.